got this package from Skiviez.com. I'm gonna open it up and kind of see what they sent me. It's a surprise, so I don't actually know. I'm gonna see if I can do this one-handed because my left arm is still a little messed up from the dislocated shoulder. So let's see what we have here. So first, looks like there's something from Daniel Alexander. Which is a jock strap, or I guess a brief, but with the extra strap on the side. So I don't really have anything like this. I don't usually wear a lot of white because I'm a little bit of a mess. No, you can see I got white shorts on right now. But obviously white's always great because it shows a lot. You can see they're actually a little bit see-through, which I'm always excited about. So I'm looking forward to trying those on. And then looks like the other, oh, I love the color of these. This blue is gorgeous. So this is cover mail. And this is a jock strap. That's kind of cool. So it's a jock strap, but with this like very narrow strap in the back. I don't have any like that either. So excited about that. Looks like it's got a nice pouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on, obviously off screen, and then I'll show you guys what they look like.